In this video, I'll show you how to change your Payoneer account name. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now you can do this via the mobile device. Just download the Payoneer app if you don't have an account. Sign up. It's free and it's fast. Or just go here at Payoneer.com, log in using your credentials. And the next thing is, when you already signed in, click on the profile logo on the top right corner and then choose settings. Now choose the profile settings. Locate the name and email window and click on the edit button. Under your name, click on the request name change link and then choose the reason. Once done, you will see instructions on providing the relevant documents, and you have to state the reason why you wanted to have a name change. Please tell them your situation so they can guide you, all right? And once all documents are provided, of course, Payoneer will review the request and update you as soon as possible with any developments. Please take note, they cannot change the identity of the account owner for an individual's accounts, all right? Now, for company accounts, you may also change the name of the authorized representative or contact person of the company account, all right? Once again, if you are having problems, changing and you wanted more information about changing your name here in Payoneer account, all you're gonna do is contact the Payoneer support, and they'll be more than glad to assist you about your situation, all right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.